is the story of a McCulloch Max 335 chainsaw that my dad borrowed, but it won't start. After many hours taking the carb apart, it was discovered to be blocked and the diaphragm is no longer working properly. As you can see, the carb has been removed, and we have also discovered the fuel pipes need replacing, as does the primer, so we have decided to buy a repair kit made in China from eBay. If you have got this far, you must be competent, so do not need us to tell you what we have done, but it's worth looking at the video so you can see what's what. The chainsaw has not been used for many years, and the petrol oil mix along with other crud has congealed and blocked holes, so make sure you clean everything including the carb to cylinder mounting bracket. My parcel has arrived from China, is shown on the bottom, and comes with a primer pump, a spark plug, 2 filters, a new foam filter, 2 gaskets, and petrol pipe. It must be said that for £15 this is a pretty good deal, and the carb itself looks pretty good. It's at this stage my dad wished he had taken lots of reference photos so he knows how to put it back together, so please learn from our mistake. You can see here that my dad has replaced one of the petrol pipes, and note he had to enlarge the holes in the tank to fit the pipe. It's common sense to mention not to forget to refit the correct gaskets where applicable. We forgot, so this is the second attempt. Now it is partially assembled, and the screwdriver is pointing to the pipe that goes to the longer of the pipes on the back of the primer. The shorter of the 2 primer pipes sucks and goes to the pipe from the fuel tank. In this section you can see the screwdriver pointing to the fast idle speed screw at the top. Then its point to the high and low speed fuel mixture screws. There is an H and an L on the yellow casing to indicate which is which. Here on the right hand side of the carb you can see the new fuel pipe, which is the main fuel supply. In my case, on the new carb, the mixture screws have a larger head diameter than the original mixture screws, and this means the anti-rattle attachment will not fit. In this section you can see the difference in the size of the mixture screws and the anti-rattle attachment. You can also see the differing lengths of the pipes on the back of the fuel primer. it's all back together and time to see if it will start. My dad is now adjusting the fast idle screw so it runs slower, and I have also told him off about the safety brake not working because that looks pretty dangerous to me, so he has promised to fix it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.